Hey guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to fix notifications not showing after update that show in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that in your phone, your notifications are not showing after updating your software, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to your settings app here, and in settings just simply go to notifications, go to app notifications. You have to make sure that you have enabled this toggle for all your apps to get notifications for all apps. Then go back, go to lock screen notifications, and make sure that you have enabled this toggle to show notifications on lock screen, and you also select the records from here. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed in this step. If it's still not fixed, just scroll down the control center and here make sure that you're not enabled the do not disturb mode, because sometimes it might be if your do not disturb mode is enabled, you might not get any notifications from any of your app. And once you have done, you have disabled your do not disturb mode. I recommend you have to also disable your Bluetooth, because if your Bluetooth is connected to any device, sometimes it might not send you notifications. I recommend you have to disable your Bluetooth. Then just click on this profile power icon here, click on restart option, and then click on restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. A simple restart can easily fix software glitches and technical errors with your phone, and after doing this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.